everybody, this is Lance here in Belton, Missouri. I work for Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Today I am bringing you a 2013, it is a Dutch Star. It's a 4038 model and it's going to have a tag axle. So nice little short coach, tag axle, and it's going to have about a 450 horsepower Cummins. So nice power plant, short coach, great for getting up them hills. And when you get that little shorter coach, it gives you an option to get a longer trailer too. So just some food for thought. So we're gonna go ahead and start up here. Give me a second, I'm gonna open up this hood here in the front. Let's check out the generator. So this is gonna be an 8,000 watt generator and we have 322 hours on the generator. You got your windshield wiper fluid right there, pretty easy access. You also have an air chuck. So nice to have air supply up there and all your hydraulics over there for easy maintenance. All right. I like the stainless steel look we got going on here. They did have the diamond shield put on the front, so it does have that clear bra over the front to protect the paint. Now as we come around the corner here, this is gonna be your fuse panel, so you know, if the power goes out on your seat, this is where you'd go to get it taken care of. And being a 2013, one of the things I want to point out, this kind of tells a story right here of the mirror arm. Now a lot of these over time can tend to get corroded and you'll start seeing the chrome starting to peel. Boy, this thing looks like it's in excellent condition. So they didn't have it in harsh environments. Now you do have a dual fuel, so you can fill up your fuel tank from either side of the coach. It is not going to be an all electric. This will be propane. So many people love to cook with propane and love to have propane heat, so you will have it with this coach. Now you do have, the batteries were replaced in 2021. And then the next bay over, we are going to have a nice little slide tray. It will go out either direction. And from the looks of it, it looks like we do have central back as well. So pretty unusual to see Oasis married up with propane. So this is going to be responsible for heating your environment, but also for heating up your hot water. It is going to have a 50 foot, 50 amp cord. And then the next bay over, this is going to be our wet bay. We got our water purification system here. It's nice to have this little paper towel holder here. Got your hot and cold water shower. Just a nice easy bay to get some work done. Now the tires are going to be Continental, and I know that they just had these things recently replaced. They should be 2019s. You got 2019s all the way around the coach, so you're not going to need tires for a while. Now with Dutch Star, you are moving up in class, so they're going to move the radiator from the back over here to the side. So you have a side-mounted radiator, and I just like some of the attention to detail you see here. They actually painted the fins to kind of match the correlating design that's coming across the coach here. And of course, true to Newmar fashion, the slide outs here are flush. So it's just really nice to be able to protect your seals. It's going to help cut down on wind noise and a much nice cleaner look. All the slides are going to have slide toppers. As you can see, they do have the slide toppers on top. Now this is kind of a nice feature. A lot of companies are ordering these coaches without the ladder on back. Some people like the ladder. That just flips up right out of the way like so. And that pops right up. It's just nice to be able to get back here, take a quick peek. You can kind of see what's going on with your serpentine belts, all your filters, easy access to your checking your engine, your transmission, your air filter, things of that nature. So pretty nice. Now this will have a 15,000 pound hitch, but it also does have an air supply. So any of you got folks out there that have an Air Force One, it's just nice to be able to know you can hook right up to it. Again, the 450 Cummins, you're going to have about 1,250 pounds of torque, so lots of power for such a short little coach. Going to be your chassis batteries. Again, these were replaced in 2021. So you're doing good with batteries. You're doing good with tires. Now, this is going to be your depth tank. And one of the things you're going to notice is that it does have a gauge there. So it's just nice to be able to see where you're at on your levels without having to go inside. Got your solid aluminum wheels here. And you got a nice little tool bay here. I like the fact that you can hang your tools, maybe a place to store your depth. And this is going to be about 2/3 of the way deep. It doesn't pass all the way through. You do have an outlet here, and you do also have hookups there for, like, if you decided to put an outside TV. It's definitely something that you can do. And next bay over, we've got another slide tray. So you're definitely not hurting for storage on this coach. Lots and lots of storage. Nice big bay here. A lot of folks like to put those refrigerator freezers here in this bay. Now as we come up here to the front, I just want us to kind of step back and then take a quick peek at this. Really big awning, but one thing you also notice is it does have the window awnings. Let me just take a second here and pull this out for you folks so you can kind of see how that works. It does have the metal cap over the fabric, so then that way it protects it from sun fading and dry rotting from the sun. But this fabric just looks like it's still like in like new condition. Not any wear or fading at all. And it's all due to this metal cap right there. All right, guys. Well, this coach here, the previous customers had some things done. We all know that previous models, earlier years, the flex steel furniture had some problems with the wear and tear. So the customer actually had the captain's chairs and the couch all reupholstered. So let's go see what that looks like. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back to this 2013 Dutch Star. So one of the things I want to point out as you start coming in, just off to your left, you got that keyless entry, but you also have the nice solid surface, beautiful tile work, but most importantly is this really, I think they did a really spot on job here with the furniture. So this was just recently reupholstered by the previous customer, and both seats. So just a beautiful job. You can see all the details here. I mean, just a really nice finish all the way around. I like the bolsters that they got in here. So just a really nice captain's chairs. And then over here on the curb side of the coach, as you can see, the couch got reupholstered as well. So everything's gonna be matching all throughout the coach. And then off the door side here, the customer didn't want to deal with other people's dirt, so they actually had all the carpet replaced here. So bedroom, kitchen, carpet has been replaced. And so we are working. Now, you probably noticed that we are missing some furniture here. So this used to be a couple of recliners. We're working on getting recliners for the coach. If you catch me in time, maybe we can get something that you prefer. We can work on that. Now, just to start off, I want to just kind of point out overhead here. We do have a nice control central here for your slide out functions, your inverter, your Oasis system, which does run off diesel or electric. So for all you boondockers, dry campers out there, this is a great system. So you can have endless hot water, and it also helps take care of the heating for the coach. And then over here in this bay is going to be your electronics bay. I actually like this. This puts out really good sound throughout the coach. You're going to notice up here in the ceiling, you've got a speaker here, you've got a speaker there, and then towards the aft part of the coach in this living space, you've got two more speakers over there as well. Now coming into the kitchen, you're going to just see beautiful, just a ton of counter space here. I love this extension. You've got really nice deep drawers, and I mean, just really long. So a lot of room here for pots, pans. You've got a pot and pan drawer down here as well. And this just kind of tells a story. Typically, you've got a little bit of a ring over here for pots sitting in there. So just really nicely taken care of for 2013, just really nice. Like the backsplash, how they run it up all the way to the underneath of the cabinet. So a lot of times you'll see wallpaper, or maybe the backsplashes ran up about 3 or 4 inches. Just really nice done. I love the glass tiles that's inlaid in that. You do have a nice convection microwave oven. You've got some nice built-ins here for the cabinet too. Really deep storage in this this particular cabinet, but nice and deep. You can bring your contents out to you. So really nice. And then just across from the kitchen, you do have a Maytag refrigerator, and I like the fact that your ice and your water dispenser is on the door itself. So just really convenient overall. A little extra storage here for yourself. You do have the little toe kick here for your vacuum. So throw away the dustpan, right? Now, as we're coming into this is going to be a mid bathroom. Now, on the curb side of the coach is going to be the toilet area. What I do like about this particular type of setup is if somebody's in here using the restroom, you're not trapped in the bedroom. So you got your nice porcelain toilet. And again, if somebody's in here, you can still move freely throughout the coach. You've got a beautiful shower here, and you'll notice here at the basin there's no seams. So it's a seamless shower. It's a one-piece shower, so less prone to leaking. Got your nice vanity here, and it's actually, for as small as it is, it's really deep. So you can, just a lot of room there for storage. And then coming in here into the bedroom, this did have a king mattress. The previous customer replaced it with a queen mattress. So this was set up for at one time with a king. Nice overhead storage. You can look at the headboard, it's still in really great condition. Overall condition of this coach is just really nice. Let's take a look at the closet here. Okay, so pretty nice closet. You got some nice little spaces there for shoe storage, and then you do have access here. If you wanted to put in a washer dryer, you can. This is where it would go, and then you have access to it to get to your valves and things of that nature. So, and then at the foot of the bed, you got some nice extra storage here. And let's just take a look at this. Actually pretty deep, actually, not bad. And again, previous customer wanted new carpet, so they got all new carpet throughout this bedroom coach. So not a bad coach overall, just nice features, reupholstered furniture. You know, with the power plant, the short coach, this would be a great fit for anybody out there. If you have interest in this coach, please feel free to contact me. My name is Lance Ortega. I am with Transwest Truck Trailer RV, located here in Belton, Missouri, and my phone number is 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.